Hi friends, welcome to my channel English with Varsha. I hope you are people doing great. Today I once again come here with my broken English. I don't know, would you like to listen and watching my video? I don't know what do you think about me, but I am very enjoy when I upload here when I upload my when when I upload my video here. Uh, when I speak someone that time I speak very confidently, and I don't know when I speak in front of you, seen myself when I see myself in this camera. So I think my confidence is little bit less. Just I feel, I don't know what do you think when you listen my video and when you watch my video. So would you like, no, but I want to suggest you one thing. If we are thinking our mistake, so we never improve ourselves. That's why you don't need, yeah, in my case also like that. We don't need to think about that, just only focus our practice session, and day by day practice to again and again. uh, you know uh, if you want to speak, if you want to practicing alone, you should take one mirror. You should stand up to front of mirror and speak to yourself, and later then you can comment me how you feel when you speak. When you speak you have to yourself, you have to use in yourself, and speak to front of mirror. So first of all, initially when we started to speaking in front of mirror, so little bit feel to shy, little bit feel to hesitation. But after that time, our speaking our speaking journey day by day improvement, and automatically we feel energetic. So that's why I think you don't need to try this. I think you you must try these tricks. And I tell you one example. I have seen one time one dog run by day. He has one polythene. He has one polythene. He hold this mouth. uh, he hold his mouth and run by away this road. Run by away that road, very far away. I didn't understand if they have a food, if he has a food. So I don't know why he is not taking food, and why he has not taking enjoy in that food. That like our mindset is like that also. If sometime it happened in our life, we are always thinking this incident, why it happened, how can I prove ourselves, how can I improve ourselves. Please don't get me wrong, and I do not compare with our mindset like that dog. Just I suggest, just I remember. That's why I am sharing with you. So just I want to suggest, and I have remembered. That's why I told you. In my case also, I have experience when I leave it one thing just little bit time. If some incident in happen in our life, and we are living after that time, so we feel relaxed. But if we are thinking again and again why it happened in my life, why I do not improve myself, how can I improve myself, what people are thinking about myself. So why I don't need to think about that. If you want to improve yourself, you don't need to think other things. You don't need, just you need to improve yourself, and trying to best, keep trying to best. Whatever you have in your mind, speak it out them without hesitation, and without fear. Thanks for watching my videos.